Hello everyone. We in previous video we learned how to create a table in HTML. Now in this video we learn how to create the form using form tag in HTML. So let's start. First I add heading. This is admission form. This is admission form, and I want this admission form is center. So I add style. Style is equal to text align is equal to center. Now that's good. That's pretty much so good. I create form using form tag. Now for form tag, I write the form here, form form tag. Close the bracket, hit enter. In form tag, I use the label for label tag. Label for fname for is equal to fname. Sorry, label tag first name first first name. Then I add this input tag. Input tag. In input I add the type of this type is equal to text. Then id is equal to fname. This fname, and then name is equal to fname. Name is equal to fname, and value is equal to type the same. Then close that bracket and add the br tag for break the line. Here we see I not write the value. Then we add the label tag once again. Label tag for last name. So for is equal to lname means last name. Close the bracket and here I type last name. Then I add input method. Input type is equal to text. Type is equal to text. Now I add id is equal to lname, and name is equal to and value. Sorry, name is equal to I use the lname. Value is equal to I add value also. Value is equal to and close the tag and also add the br tag. Here is first name, last name is created. Then I add the submit button. So add once again input tag for submit button. In this input tag we write the submit button. So type is equal to submit and value is equal to submit. Value is equal to click here to submit. And then sorry, I have some mistake. Value is equal to submit submit, and then close the bracket. Here you see our submit button is here. So in this form tag we last name John Rapper and click here to submit. Here you see the data is automatically closed. Now you understand how to create the form tag in this HTML. First we create the label, then we create input tag for input the value, then once again we create the label tag for label this last name and create the input value for input the user, and then create the submit button for user. So I hope you understand how to create the table tag and form tag. If you don't know how to create the table, in last video I teach how to create the table tag. Now in this video I tell you how to create the form tag. So if you love this video, please like, share this video with your friend and subscribe the button, press the bell icon. Thanks.